Are you thinking about selling your home and wondering which realtor can actually get the job done? We hear you. Selling a home is a big deal, and you deserve someone who knows how to get top dollar without turning the whole process into a second full-time job for you. Here's the deal. When you list with us, you're getting over 20 years of experience, plus a full-blown strategy to make your home irresistible to buyers. And we have a little secret weapon most agents don't, our YouTube channel, Meet Me in the Panhandle. And it's kind of a big deal. Hundreds of out-of-state buyers who are dreaming about moving to West Virginia, check it out. And guess what? There's a lot of them. They are serious, often coming from pricier markets with cash in hand. Your home could be what they're looking for. So how do we make your home the star of the show? First, we know what today's buyers want. And no, it's not built-in cat trees, secret wine cellars. Those are pretty cool though. They're looking for updated, well-maintained, and maybe even a little tech-savvy home. Think smart thermostats, video doorbells. We'll help you highlight all the best features with staging tips, professional photos, and video tours of your home and the community. Out-of-state buyers love that. We also make sure your home is front and center where buyers are scrolling social media. Plus, our in-depth knowledge of the local market help you price it right, market it smart, and handle any curveballs along the way. You'll know exactly what's happening every step of the way. No guessing games. Want more details? Grab our free seller's playbook at meetmeinthepanhandle.com/seller's guide. It's full of great information, including how those new commission rules could impact your sale. If you're ready to turn your home into a buyer magnet and maybe even meet some cash buyers along the way, give us a call. Our contact information is below, and we can't wait to help you make this happen.